Good morning, students. Myself, Arvind Pandey. I am going to teach chapter number 1 in geography. The Earth is in universe. You know very well that the Earth is a planet of the solar system. In previous classes, I have explained what do you mean by universe. There are million stars, galaxy, constellations are converted in the universe. It is a huge space is known as universe. Understand? Now I am coming on the topic that the Earth. The Earth is a type of planets of the solar system. The Earth moves around the Sun. The Earth is a planet where life is possible. On the Earth, air, water and you can say flora and fauna are converted on the land. That's why we can survive here. Understand? Now, dear students, 71% water are converted on the land and 29% land. Yes, and exact 2.4% are purest water on the land. And like this, you can say 2.4% water are the purest water in the land. Now I am coming on the topic that solar system. What do you mean by solar system? So that firstly we will make a diagram of the sun. The earth moves around the sun, not earth. There are 8 planets in the solar system and they moves around the sun. They move around the sun. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, these are the planets of the solar system. And the earth is a planet where life is possible. So dear students, we will discuss in about that. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Yes, dear students, you are seeing 8 planets and 9 before some days Pluto was a name of planets. Now in this present time it is removed from the list of solar system. Now in this present time 8 planets are converted in the solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So these planets moves around the sun. These planets moves around the sun. You can make a diagram of this, that these are moving around the sun. And now I am saying that the sun is made from nebula. When nebula was destroyed in some small particles, a small particles creates a sun. In like this, the sun is made up of dust and full of dust and gases. The sun rises in the east and set in the west. In previous classes we have explained about that. If you are seeing any picture, so that's in upward north, in downward south, and here east and here west. The sun rises in the east and set in the west. So now I am coming on the topic earth. The earth moves around sun. During the rotational and revolutionary work, process is going on, so that rotation and revolution work, so that's day and night and changing the season. If the earth does not move around the sun, so that process is not going on. And whenever we are standing in day position, so that we will stand in day whole year, because the earth is not moving. And whenever the earth is moving, so that time will be changed in day to night and night to day, so that this process must be, understand. Now I am coming. The sun is the center of our solar system. Suppose that 8 planets and it is in center of our solar system, all other celestial bodies of the solar system, understand. The earth is moving around the sun. The sun is made from nebula. The sun is made from nebula. So dear students, you can say that the sun is a star and it is full of hot gases. Yes, you can say it is full of hot gases, and the sun gives us light and energy. So dear students, you have to mention in it, if the sun is not giving the light, so all the world goes in dark position, understand, and all flora and fauna will die, because they cannot absorb the light, understand. So that it is very necessary, and this is the process of solar system. Like this, 8 planets are moving around the sun, and all planets are moving in our orbit. We do not know how the sun, planets, asteroids were formed. Scientists believe in these were formed from moving clouds of dust and gases, or nebulas. In duration of the creating time, nebulas were destroyed in some particles, and small particles makes the sun. Now I am coming the earth. Venus is known as the sister of earth. पृथ्वी को वीनस की बहन कहा जाता है. वीनस को पृथ्वी की बहन कहा जाता है. मरकरी, वीनस, अर्थ, मार्स, जुपिटर, सैटर्न, यूरेनस एंड नेपच्यून. But remaining 7 planets, there is no life, but on the earth life is possible, because human beings, animals, in like this you can say flora and fauna. Flora related to the plants and fauna related to the animals, and you can say that's human beings. So that's it is dependent on it. So that's all planets are moving around the sun. So you can say this is the process of solar system, and the motion of the planets, there are 2 types of motions of the earth planets: rotational and revolution. Rotation and revolution. These processes are going on. The motion of the earth. The motion of the earth. First, rotation. And second process is going on, revolution. And like this rotation, you can understand this is earth, the earth is a planet where life is possible. You are seeing the diagram of our earth, and here yes, whenever you know very well that the earth moves around the sun in one time 365 days, 5 hours, 48 minutes and 12 seconds. It moves around the sun in this duration, and in this orbit it moves in 24 hours. Suppose that the earth is rotating in 24 hours, so that it is known as rotational. So that's during the day, and half part night, and whenever it will be changed, day become night and night become day. So that this is the rotation work. And revolution, like this revolution work, the system of revolution work, it will be changing the system, like this 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4, any fourth is 12. Like this you can say this type. Yes, any problem? I hope that you will make this diagram in notebook, understand? And the motion of the earth, rotation and rotation system. This is the rotation system. Rotation of the earth. Rotation of the earth. It will be rotation of the earth. Yes, thank you so much.